Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot, cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Not feeling my absolute best, but I have to do this Moi Moi. The Moi Moi that I said I would do in the last vlog. I didn't do it, so yeah, I have to do it. Whew, I'm not feeling my absolute best, so but the show must go on. But does the show really have to go on? I don't know, man. Let's just do this Moi Moi. So it's been peeled already. Peeled since like how many weeks ago? I can't even say. See, just go to bring out pepper now. So just hold on. Let me bring out. Okay, so I brought it out. It's blocked. In fact, everything is blocked. Everything is blocked now. So I'm going to just leave them here. Then I'll go and just chill. Wait till they are defrosted, then we'll start. I just received a notification. I received an alert. Not like who is sending me money. But not fair, not financially. It's just some transactions between my husband and I. Voila. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for it to defrost and then we'll start cooking it. I've been trying to cook this Moi Moi since like how many weeks now. I don't know what it is, but I just see it like a lot of work. I don't know. Anyways, yeah.
Look at that ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on us and drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time.
Hi guys, good morning, my loves. How are you guys doing? After I did that Moi Moi, funniest thing is, I don't think I really like the Moi Moi like that. Not because I didn't do like everything that I used to do. I mean, I took my time to learn how to do Moi Moi because Moi Moi is a labor of love, which is why it took so long before I did it. But the thing is that I used, so remember the oil I skimmed off my ofada sauce? So when I was making it, I realized I didn't have vegetable oil or groundnut oil, whatever. So I was like, I've seen someone on TikTok bleach palm oil and use it to do Moi Moi. So I was like, okay, let me also do that. I didn't like the taste. My husband didn't like the taste, but we're going to finish that food because me, I know they waste food. I don't waste. So I had to get a scissors. I received some items. I ordered plates. So this lady on Instagram and she was selling plates, but I didn't have money to like buy a lot like I wanted, so I just got the one. I could, afford. And I've received this item since, so but I just forgot it. And I just remember that these things are still here. They are packaging. I'm not playing with the packaging. I wanted a bowl for like when someone wants to like have gari or when you just want to have that feel of abula, like amala, gbegiri and stew. Do you understand? So I just got this. I'm trying to learn how to plate stuff, how to plate food rather. I've not been really doing so much content on, is there anything inside? So much content on TikTok and Instagram, and I feel it's because I'm a bit, you know, like, I don't know, I'm struggling to create content there, and I mean, eventually I'll figure it out. Do you understand? So this is the other plate that I got. Can you see how beautiful this looks? Such a pretty. I don't think this is a plate per se, but I feel like if you have guests over, you could put like an array of fruits on it and it will look gorgeous. Yeah. Something like this. So yeah. What else there? Yeah, so I also got this packaging that I use for this Zobo thing. I got mine online. You can check out market around you, but if you want the online place, I got it. This was not the only one I got, and this is, I think this is the 300 ml size. There's also the 100 ml. Maybe I'll go get the 100 ml, but this is the 300 ml size, and then we have like the long one which has finished because I already used it. But yeah, okay, this is just the thank you card. I will, you know, show. Then I got clothes, loungewear. It's just like basically loungewear. I love loungewear because I'm mostly at home. So this is the 100 ml, and I brought the light back. This is the 300 ml. So this is perfect for Zion, but this is not perfect for me or his daddy. I've already started wearing this one. I got like this really nice skimpy nice clothes. I like it, I really do. And then I found out that my husband like this, so I was like, okay baby. And then I got this shorts. So all these are actually like thrift. They are not necessarily new, but some of them come with tags. I got this, just a nice top, nice. Yeah, I really like these shorts. I love shorts, like a good shorts and tank top. Very good for like mommy drop-offs, mommy runs. Yeah, so that's it. I'm just going to like just rest, then I'll go and pick Zion from school. I'll catch you guys later. Guys, let's go pick Zion from school. So yeah, I feel really pretty today. I don't always feel pretty, but today I feel really pretty.
Ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young killer, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas Thursday, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me. You feel me? Yeah, I know you feel me. I know you feel me. Yeah. Look at it.
Gets there. Go. I do dance. Let's go. 1, 2, let's go. Dance. Let's go.
Dance it, dance it, dance it, dance it, dance it.
Come, come, come.
No, do your hand like this. Come.
Come, come, come.
Yeah, come. Yeah, stand in front of it. Up, stand up. Stand up well. Like this. Yeah, do like this. Yeah, let's go. Touch it. 2 hands. Yeah. Hold it. Now hold it well. Hold it very well, like you want to carry it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Up. Up to your chest. Let's go. I drop it. Like this. Are you ready for another one?
Yeah.
We're doing it 3 times.
3 times.
Yes. Yeah. One more time. Let's go.
3 times.
Up. Remember, you're taking it up to your chest. Up. Up.
Oh, that's
Yeah, drop it. The next one. Stand up. Leave it. Stand up. The next one, you're not going to move. You stay one place and lift it up. Then drop it. Yeah? You're not going to shake like this. Oh. Are you ready?
Shake, 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 shake.
Yeah, let's go. One more. The last time. Remember, you're not shaking. Carry it properly. You have to be proper. Carry it. Now, up. Don't shake too much. Up. Right. I know you can. To the chest. Is that your chest?
Yes.
That's your stomach. This is your chest. Up. Oh yeah, drop it. Yeah, do like this. Say, mommy, done.
Done.